So this is the unboxing video of my 5 new NASCARs and 3 new Matchbox cars. The Matchbox cars will be unboxed, but not yet until after all the NASCAR ones are done. We will be starting with the two Chase Elliott ones. This is a race winner one from the Talladega 500, from the Talladega Geico 500 race event out in Talladega, Atlanta, which is in Georgia. And then this is another one of Chase Elliott, but not a race winner one. It's just a special Mountain Dew one. And now we will start on. And now I'll have my friend Noah unbox the cars.
What's up, guys? Alright, I'm gonna start with this.
Do keep in mind these take a while to open, so please be patient.
Yeah, they're a pain in the butt to open. No joke.
Yeah, exactly.
If you guys ever get these, you know what I'm talking about.
Yep. And they sell these at Walmart and Target stores pretty much everywhere that I see.
Ah.
Now, the thing is, though, these are very special cars because apparently they're made. There's the special thing it came with.
Right here.
Yep.
The NASCAR itself.
And then there's the NASCAR toy car itself, too.
This thing's glowing.
And there they are together.
Now this is another one of Chase Elliott's car, the race winner, just like we said.
Yep.
I've personally always been a fan of Chase Elliott. There's the card.
Yep. And also, all of these cars we are unboxing will be entering my fastest toy car ever tournament here at my house. There's the car with its special info card.
And keep in mind, not all these cards are magnets. Like this one is a magnet, this one is just a card.
Yep. And some of them come with hood ornaments too, like this one does.
Yep. Should I open this now?
Yes.
Alright.
And this is actually my first one of Clint Bowyer, however you pronounce their name. NASCAR Mustang.
So comment down below which is your favorite type of NASCAR, Ford or Chevy,
Or Toyota.
or Toyota. Or keep in mind, you might prefer the NASCAR Truck Series.
Yeah, which by the way, there will be one unboxed in this video.
There's the hood ornament,
Yep.
and there's the toy car.
Yep, there's the toy car with its hood ornament. Alright, this is my second one of this Mustang year per se, because this one, if you look at the taillights compared to that one right there, different taillights.
So
And
this
headlights
one-
too. Yep.
This one is newer, and there's a cute dog on the front.
Yep. Now, they all say they're 2020 models, which I don't really believe because this one we're unboxing right now is actually newer compared to that one right there.
Exactly.
So whoever makes them, stop lying about the years, please, because that's really confusing.
It is, and I'm probably sure they're not really accurate when it's come to that stuff.
Yeah, because, most of my other ones.
Magnet.
Yep, there's the magnet.
The doggo.
Yep.
And there is the car.
Yep.
Isn't the Nutri-Chomps like a...
I
is it
think
like
it's...
dog food or
yes.
dog treat brand?
Yeah, Nutri-Chomps is probably some dog food or dog treat brand of some sort.
If you guys
And,
have
and here's the NASCAR truck one with its sponsor, Louisiana, the original Louisiana hot sauce.
comment down below if you guys have dogs, because here's the card.
There's the card that it came with. And there is the
NASCAR.
NASCAR truck that comes with the card as well. Alright, and if I can do this, there is all 5 of them with their cards, magnet, and hood. And the 3 Matchbox cars are right here. Which will be unboxed sometime soon. I don't know how soon.
Sorry, I had to make a call. Well,
Well, I'm
Where's
ready
the
to do
Matchbox
the
cars?
Matchbox cars now.
starting off with the 1941
Cadillac,
Series convertible.
Cadillac, Series 2 Cadillac convertible coupe.
Okay, you might want to do something.
Okay. Well, I don't know how much longer the video is going to be delayed for, but hopefully not too much longer.
silent. Sorry guys for the wait.
This is my first Matchbox 1941 Cadillac Series 2 convertible coupe. And now open the car, please, Noah.
Yes. Waiting to get at this thing.
Now I have no clue what engine this thing has because normally when I collect old cars, I have to Google search what engines they have. The NASCARs all have the same V8 engine, producing about 730 brake horsepower, top speed of 200 miles per hour, just about.
So you guys might recall the year that this was made, right in the middle of World War II.
Yeah, exactly.
Very brave by Cadillac.
I know.
And another fact about this car, it is very, very light. I'm not sure if you guys have bought this yet, but if you do, it's light.
Now, I don't know exactly which year this Matchbox car came out from, but I think it's either this year or last year.
Probably last year.
And please do comment down below if you know what engine this Cadillac has. I would assume it's a V8 of some sort, but I don't know what V8, how many liters, or what horsepower, what its top speed is.
Probably like a Ford V8 or something.
Anyways, now to unbox the next one, the Volkswagen Golf Mark I,
This is the first one.
which is the first Volkswagen Golf that was ever made.
Doesn't this thing look good, like town car or something?
Yeah, this Volkswagen's more of like a city economy type car.
Yeah, like a hatchback. I
Yep.
think that's pretty much a lot of power.
Yep.
Well, this is slight too.
Yeah. And there's the Volkswagen Mark I in orange unboxed.
I mean, I love the detail of Matchbox cars. It's just amazing.
Yep, it is. And then the last one is a special Chevrolet truck. It's the 1947 Chevrolet 80-3100 National Parks Edition. And for people who collect National Parks toy cars from Matchbox, I'd say this is one you really want to have in your collection.
My personal favorite out of Reese's Matchbox cars that he got. Open.
I know, and if you're wondering what that weird sound is back there, that's my PlayStation randomly playing race events while I'm not actually playing on it.
Here's the
And here's
truck.
the Chevy truck.
This thing looks
Unboxed.
polished. Looks nice.
Now, Matchbox does make a lot of National Parks cars. I did actually have a second one, but I think I gave it to someone, so because of that, this is my first National Parks car that I have in my toy car collection from Matchbox. That's the end of this video. Please comment down below which is your favorite out of all 8 of these toy cars that were unboxed today. That's the end of the video. Bye.